Network topologies. In in my previous lecture, what is a computer networks and its types are explained. That is local area network LAN, metropolitan area network MAN, and wide area network WAN are explained. Now I am explaining networking topologies. The word topology comes from the Latin word topos. The basic definition of topology is the way of interconnection between a two or more devices is known as a topology, are also defined as it is a way of different nodes are placed and interconnected with each other is known as a topology. The topology was known as a geometry sites, that is a Latin geometry of a place, or analyzing sites, that is a Latin analysis of place. Next, coming to the types of networking topologies in computer science, there are so many types of topologies are available. Now, here some of the topologies are explained: bus topology, ring topology, tree topology, star topology, mesh topology, hybrid topology, and one more topology, that is a tree topology. I explained one by one now. First, bus topology. In bus topology, all the devices or nodes are connected sequentially to the same backbone. See here, a transmission line. This is a simple topology, low cost topology, but it is a single point of failure present. It's a risk. This is the one advantages of a bus topology. Second one, star topology. Here, all the nodes in the networks are connected to the central device like a hub or switch. In a star topology, failure of individual nodes or labels does not necessarily create a downtime in the network, but the failure of a central device, that is a hub or switch. This topology is the most preferred and popular models of a star topology. See here, this is a central hub or switch. These systems are connected in the form of star. This is known as a star topology. Next, coming to the ring topology. In a ring topology, all the systems are connected in the one another one in the shape of closed loop. Here, observe here, is known as a ring topology. Another topology is a mesh topology. The mesh topology is each and every system or node is directly connected to the some or all other nodes or systems is presented in the network. See here, all systems are directly connected to the sum of the other systems presented in the networking topology is known as a mesh topology. And coming to the hybrid topology, the hybrid topology is nothing but it is a different types of topologies like bus topology, mesh topology, star topology, ring topologies. These topologies, which is a mixture of two or more topologies, that is there are so many topologies are connected in this hybrid topologies to form a this topology. See here, here mixing of two topologies are involved here, so it is known as a hybrid topology. Next, coming to the tree topology. In a tree topology, it is a one kind of topology. It has a root node. See here, this is a root node. This root node is all other nodes are connected in the forming of a hierarchy form. See here, this is a hierarchy form. It is also known as a hierarchy topology. The tree topology has at least three levels of a hierarchy. It is a first level, this is second level, this is a third level. The tree topology is applied in a WAN, that is a wide area networks are applicable in the tree topologies. It is an extension of a bus topologies and a star topology. This is a networking topologies.